throw this darn thing out in the back porch. This is crazy. Man alive. Wow. This is not right. I'll put it low. I gotta get back to the car. Alright. What do you think of that, guys? Is that ever an emergency? Now, let me put this other chop back up in the fridge. That was really, really uncalled for. Oh, I had to get rid of the smoke detector. I'm cooking again. Anyway, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Pork chop. Go ahead and turn her. Turn her front and two. None of those streets are going down. Oh! See that? It's trying to squirt me on my stomach. That hot grease. Right all over the coffee can. See that? Yep. Oh, that would have been a disaster. You know what? I don't have my... Oh, that would have been a disaster. Repeat it before the war. There, I looked in there and I covered it. So, don't do that again. I won't. Oh, believe me, I won't. Go ahead and turn it, hide behind the fridge. Get that corn in there. Oh, nice, huh? Wow, almost wrist 15th degree burns or whatever they call them.